people talk about the ultimate air power of the United States, two names dominate the conversation: the legendary F-22 Raptor and the highly advanced F-35 Lightning II. At first glance, they may look similar, both stealthy, both futuristic. But in reality, these two aircraft were built for very different missions, and understanding that difference is the key to understanding modern air warfare. The F-22 Raptor was designed during the height of the Cold War mindset, created for one purpose above all: absolute air dominance. It is a predator of the skies, engineered to hunt and destroy enemy aircraft before they even know it's there. Everything about the F-22 screams superiority: its shape, its engines, its silence on radar. It doesn't just fight, it controls the entire battlefield from the air. On the other hand, the F-35 Lightning II represents a new philosophy of war. Instead of being just a fighter, it is a flying command center, a battlefield sensor, and a multi-role powerhouse all in one. Where the F-22 is a sword, the F-35 is a network, a system designed to connect, share, and dominate across land, sea, air, and even space. Let's begin with stealth, the invisible shield that defines both aircraft. The F-22 was the first operational stealth air superiority fighter in the world, and even today, its radar cross-section is considered among the smallest ever achieved. It was built to disappear, to slip through enemy defenses like a ghost. The F-35, while also stealthy, takes a slightly different approach. Its stealth is optimized, not just for avoiding detection, but for surviving in highly contested environments filled with modern radar systems. It balances stealth with versatility, making it incredibly adaptable. Now let's talk about speed and raw performance. This is where the F-22 Raptor truly shines. With its twin engines and thrust vectoring nozzles, it can supercruise, meaning it can fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. This gives it a massive advantage in combat, allowing it to engage or disengage at will. It can reach speeds above Mach 2 and maneuver in ways that seem almost impossible, twisting and turning in the sky like a living creature. The F-35, by comparison, is not built for extreme speed or dogfighting dominance. Its top speed is lower, and it lacks thrust vectoring. But that's not a weakness. It's a trade-off. The F-35 sacrifices some raw performance to gain something far more powerful: information superiority. Because in modern warfare, knowing everything is often more important than moving faster. The F-35 is equipped with one of the most advanced sensor suites ever installed on a fighter jet. Its distributed aperture system allows the pilot to see in all directions, even through the aircraft itself. Its helmet-mounted display replaces traditional cockpit instruments, feeding the pilot real-time data directly into their vision. It doesn't just show the battlefield, it understands it. The F-22, while extremely advanced, was built in an earlier era. Its avionics are powerful, but they don't match the data fusion capabilities of the F-35. However, what the F-22 lacks in networking, it makes up for in pure combat lethality. Its radar is deadly, its missiles are precise, and its ability to strike first is unmatched. Speaking of weapons, both aircraft carry their weapons internally to maintain stealth. The F-22 is optimized for air-to-air combat, typically carrying a mix of AIM M120 AMRAAM and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles, along with a 20mm cannon. It is built to eliminate enemy fighters quickly and efficiently. The F-35, however, is far more versatile. It can carry air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, electronic warfare systems, and even perform intelligence and reconnaissance missions. It can strike ground targets, support troops, and engage in cyber warfare, all in a single mission. Another key difference lies in their roles within the military. The F-22 operates like a lone